Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video, I'm going to give you an update about the current status of the counseling process, which includes all India and all open states and major closed states. Okay, I'll also talk about how to go ahead and get a seat in low score. Okay, which state to approach, and I'll try to create a separate video like about how to proceed with the counseling process in case your score is low and how you can get the seat. So first is all India. Tomorrow 7th November is the date which is given for the PIL case. I had made a video earlier regarding the same. The PIL is made against MCC counseling process. Okay, and it says that the counseling process in MCC should get delayed and it should wait for all the state round 2 to complete in order to avoid the seat blocking in Mop-up round for all India. Okay, so tomorrow Supreme Court will give a decision or we will have the next step on it. Okay, it's very critical for those candidates who are going for Mop-up round. Okay, in case they give decision in the favor of candidates in order to avoid the seat blocking, then we will have good cutoff in mop-up round. In other case, when the decision is not given in the favor of candidates but in the favor of MCC, and if they continue with the same counseling pattern where both states and all India mop-up both going in parallel, and in that case so much of seat blocking would happen in mop-up round and it will result in many seats would be available in a stay vacancy round. So the stay vacancy round will also be critical. Okay, if you are having the score on boundary and couldn't get seat in mop-up round, then you can try in stay vacancy as well. Coming to state wise counseling update, Andhra Pradesh management quota, the result got published yesterday. Okay, and there is a negative shift compared to last year round 2. It's very clear why negative shift, because the candidates who tries or does the registration for Andhra Pradesh, they do the registration for Karnataka also and Telangana as well. Okay, because they have a limited budget and the tuition fee budget, they go for Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The Karnataka round is delayed. Okay, that's why most of the candidate have opted for seat in Andhra Pradesh, and that resulted in negative shift in round 2. But in the mop-up round, there will be a positive shift, and it depends on like how the rest of the counseling process in different states and all India is going on. Bihar state, the result is expected as on today. Okay, you can expect good positive shift there also in round 2 also. There in round 1 also there was so much of positive shift after the first round allotment got cancelled. Okay, and in the mediocre score, it is very good state to go. Okay, Gujarat round 2 registration completed, that's update, and there is no other update as of now, so little delay from Gujarat. Haryana, as on tomorrow we can expect the result for round 2. In Himachal Pradesh, round 2 result is pending, the choice filling is done. Karnataka, the last reporting date is as on 7th of November. Okay, then you can see the updates and schedule for next round. For round 2 onwards, you have to deposit your original documents in order to participate in the counseling process, and if you get a seat, don't want to join, then in order to get the documents, you have to pay penalty. Kerala, the document upload completed. Okay, and in Madhya Pradesh, the reporting will be available for round 2 up to 8th of November. Maharashtra, round 2 physical joining is was until today. Pondicherry round 2 choice filling got completed day before yesterday, actually yesterday, and in Punjab joining is completed for round 2. So we can see many states are on track, but since the choice filling is also over for all India, okay, so it's very important to see whether they will allow those candidates or they will publish the result for those candidates who already have been allotted a seat and joined the seat in a state round 2. In Rajasthan state, the registration is going on for mop-up round. The seat matrix is also published tentatively, and you will get the final seat matrix on 11th. And until tomorrow, you can do the registration in Rajasthan state. It's a very important state for low score candidates. Tamil Nadu result got published for round 2, and in Telangana, we are waiting for the choice filling for round 2 management quota. In Uttar Pradesh, the round 2 admission is completed. Now you can go for mop-up round, but before that you have to see the seat matrix, because few seats would be available in Uttar Pradesh in clinical subjects. In Uttarakhand, round 1 and round 2 got combined and it got over. For mop-up round, the schedule is yet to be published. Okay, so this is a update about the state level counselings in a nutshell. So the registration for mop-up is going on only in Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan is very fast forward state this time. They are doing everything on time, and the counseling is happening in offline mode since round 2. Okay, so Rajasthan, and next state Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, then Bihar state, Haryana, West Bengal. Okay, these are the states are important in case you have low score, because these states have high tuition fee and NRI quota as well. In Uttar Pradesh, the candidate got the seat in low tuition fee at the very low score. So it was kind of like jackpot for those who had limited budget but they wanted clinical subject. Okay, and so that's all from my side. In case you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, okay, in order to see like how you can get the seat in the upcoming process of the counseling, or there is a negotiation also possible wherever the tuition fee is very high, okay, in NRI quota or management quota. Okay, that's also possible. So you need to pick the right time slot, okay, when you have to do the negotiation after the seat got allotted. So based on the availability and number of candidates who are eligible, they will also do the negotiation, because the college is also looking to fill all the seats, otherwise it is lost for them. Okay, and it's purely legal to do negotiation on the tuition fee. Okay, so that's all from my side, and I'll try to create a separate video for the low score candidates, as in how you should progress. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.